set up, trying to get Tracie's first turkey. The sun's up. They're gobbling, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we get lucky. Say cheese. Wait till his head comes up, Tracie. You shoot him right there. Take your time. Just let him get right. He ain't going nowhere. Easy. You clear right there. Shoot him. You got time. Don't make a bad shot. Back around. Wait. Alright, he's gonna come back around right there. Can you get him? Good girl. The 20 gauge did it again. Tell me about it.
I hate trees.
They always flop for minutes.
Took a nice 2-hour nap this morning and woke up and he comes strutting down. He got excited when he saw Mr. Tom there and we put on a pretty show. It was probably 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. Just having problems getting my sights to go through the trees.
Came in full strutting, drumming, never gobbled a bit.
No, didn't gobble. Pretty bird though.
What do you think of your first turkey hunt?
It's pretty good when you can take naps for 2 hours and just wake up and shoot a bird.